Yeah. Yeah, that's how it is, man.
What up to now?
You said what?
What are you up to now?
Man, just about to go to the store and get some groceries, man. That's the great thing about being in an apartment is you can cook, man. I hate eating out.
Save a little bit of money.
Well, it's not even just saving money to me. I used to own a restaurant, and you never know what people put in your food. So I just like to know what's going in my food. You know what I'm saying? For health reasons, and you can buy better ingredients. You know, and you can buy ingredients that you want and make the food taste the way you want to. I like to cook. That's just how I do. So, you know.
Do you speak the language at all?
You said what?
You speak the language at all?
Hell no.
You're able to find what you're looking for.
Yeah, I know what bread look like.
Sure, that works. I can see
What shrimp look like. Beautiful. And then the reason that we need to have the thing on this so I can use the translator.
Oh.
You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's like we ain't got no mask, so I gotta. It's like, oh, I don't know how to ask for a mask.
Yeah. We'll just walk back up.
She do got one. You got your mask?
No. Basket.
At least make it look like you're trying.
Yeah. Can I have one? All right, Shawn, you got your mask. Feel better?
Yeah, this is
They're like 25 cents up at the front. Bags. Here. What song is that?
Hey, bro, they pulled this shit up out the ground.
You said what?
They pulled this shit up out the ground, bro.
This morning, probably.
This shit is straight from the ground, bro. Look at these carrots, bro.
That's fresh. That's
This shit
true
is straight
farm
up out
to
the
table.
ground, bro. This shit is straight up out the ground, bro.
Farm to table. Real deal farm to table.
Real.
That's regular.
They pulled it out the
Oh.
ground. What the fuck is this bag on there?
You hear the song playing?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
That's the shit that fucks you up.
Yeah. Silent.
If it's anything you want.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you look good. I never want some eggs.
Yeah.
Almost cracked. good, Sean?
I'm super good, man. I'm
Yeah.
just trying to figure out what's what. Shit look good.
Yeah. Hey, I got that in Colombia?
Mm-hmm.
Hell yeah. Yeah, that whole, all that stuff, yeah.
Juice. Some water.
Yeah, which is still water, which is, it's the Ukrainian word for still. Oh, look, when it got the English on it.
Natural mineral. Okay, still.
Still,
Okay. Yeah, you know, we got a couple of these to drink on.
Yeah. I don't know if you can drink tap water in Ukraine. I don't know.
A couple.
Alright. Got a whole fridge now.
We got some eggs. We got some potatoes. We got some juice, a lot of juice to drink.
Oh, just bread.
Нам надо нам что-то ровно класть.
Pasta. You want to get a little bottle of something to sip on? Avocado.
Avocados. Is it the same in Ukraine? The word? Probably too far away to ship and
Green
import.
tea.
And we live right on Mexico, so.
Some peppermint tea. Some peppermint. You can get some green tea, bro.
Lime. I'll pick up a couple bread.
Yeah, I'll wait for you to.
Oh, okay.
We don't need that much.
Okay. It's like 8 cents. It's like a.
Because you gotta understand when we leave, I don't want to
Oh, yeah.
have a bunch of shit. We need to eat all this shit up in 3 days.
3 days.
I don't want to. What are you doing?
Oh, you do. It's a self-checkout on the like produce, I guess, in the Ukraine. So we got to the register, and they were like, "Oh, you gotta do it yourself." And we were like, "What the?" Never seen anything like this before in my life, but it's actually pretty cool.